Bark, 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 bark. I'm gonna pick some chicken. Man cannot live by smash burgers alone. So I'm gonna take this chicken and gonna put some of this on it. I'm gonna put some of this on it. Maybe some other stuff, who knows. And then I'm gonna stick it in here. This is the Emeril Lagasse version of the Ninja Foodie. I'm gonna put some water in here. I'm gonna add some of this. May add some liquid smoke. And I'm gonna hit one of these buttons and adjust the time and do it about 15-20 minutes. And then we'll take it out, drain all the liquid, put it back in, and switch to the air fryer lid, and we'll do some more cooking. And we'll see how it comes out. What's that, Miss Rebecca? You ready for chicken? I think Rebecca's ready for chicken. But the chicken's not quite ready. But isn't it pretty? Look how tender, look how it's already just falling off the bone. So I'm gonna dig it out of there, and then we're gonna air fry it for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. And hopefully it'll be hot and ready and tasty. And when we're all done, I'm gonna, when we're done eating with the leftovers, I'm gonna tear off all the meat and take what's left and throw it in back in the same cooker with some veggies and some broth, and make a really tasty chicken broth thingy, and make soup with that. Anyway, that's the plan. Oh, it smells so good. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? Maybe that's the taters my lovely system is making. Something smells good in here. Anyway, I'll be back after the air fryer. Okay, y'all. Looky there, looky there. Is that just the prettiest bird you've seen all day? Yum. And we got some taters and some veggies, and we're going to go to town on this bird. So, that's it. Use your foodie, use your Emeril, use your whatever you got, and cook your bird. Okay, that's it. See you next time. Thanks for watching, following, liking, subscribing, sharing, helpful comments, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. See you next time. Bye!